guys, love star girl. Can I do it again?
Yeah.
I'm getting distracted by myself. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, I'm Itchya and welcome back to my channel. Ting! So today I did this subtle glam look where I used a super bright lipstick as well, and I did this nude lip as well. And if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Alright, so before I'm starting my makeup, I'm gonna start with a moisturizer. Today I'm using the Nude Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. The reason I like this moisturizer underneath my makeup is because it is moisturizing but it's matte, so it's really good if I want to have a makeup look that's gonna last all day. I'm just gonna give myself a nice massage. And if you see me looking down, there's a mirror right here. Now I'm gonna take the Lurella, this cat's tongue brush, and I'm just gonna apply it in the areas I want extra glow, just like so, and so. Now while this cooks on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. So I'm using this random eyebrow filling pencil. I don't know where I got this from. I'm just gonna use this today. I really like it. I think I got it from Miniso, but I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my brows. Alright, so I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 122 Sand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shape my brows. I'm using this Lurella concealer brush to shape my brows. Now I'm gonna take this Lurella Beauty Blender and kind of blend everything in place. Now I'm taking the same eyebrow pencil and applying it in areas where the concealer might have kind of nicked it. Alright, I'm done with my brows. Now time to start my eye makeup. Alright, so I'm using the Lurella in the Nude eyeshadow palette today. This is such a perfect eyeshadow if you like to do a versatile look that's not too loud and colorful. And this is very compact in size. You can literally carry it anywhere. So today we're gonna do a really pretty look with this palette. Alright, so the first shade I'm using is called So Pale to kind of set the concealer in place. So I'm just gonna take that on my blending brush and I'm just gonna gently dab it like so. Alright, now I'm gonna start with my first transition color. I'm using this light brown shade called Warm, and I'm just gonna take that and kind of apply it at the ends right here like so, and then I'm just gonna start blending it inwards, out to in, out to in. I really love this Lurella brush because it's super soft and kind of, do you see that? It makes my blending easy. You want brushes whose bristles are super soft. Otherwise, you might harm your eye skin, which is like the most delicate skin, and it might cause premature aging. You just want to go very gently. Now I'm going to take this flat packer brush and I'm going to use the shade Tan Lines, which is a darker brown, and I'm just going to apply it right on my crease like so. I'm just gonna look down and apply it like this. Alright, so now after I'm done this, it kind of creates this little semicircle right here, and you can see a nice definition between that really light brown and this yummy warm brown. And then I'm gonna take the same packer brush and the same shade called Tan Lines, and I'm just gonna gently dab it in the inner corner and the outer corner. Like so, just take a little bit of that and a little bit of this. Now I'm gonna take that same blending brush that I used for this shade, and I'm just gonna blend in the inner corner and the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take the same packer brush and I'm gonna use a darker shade of brown than the previous brown called Brunette, and I'm just gonna apply it right here at the end, like so. I'm gonna take that same bigger blending brush and just blend out the corners. All right, now after blending the outer corners, do you see that area that I've left bare? I'm gonna go ahead and apply some shimmer. Now I'm using the shade Goddess, which is this really nice gold bronzy tone, and I'm just gonna apply it right here in the middle with my fingers like so. And look at that, such a beautiful shade, and it's so shiny. And I'm just gonna press it like so. Then I'm gonna take the same bigger blending brush and I'm just gonna blend out the sides right here and right here. And take my ring finger and just apply the shimmer right in the middle. Now you can see there's a really nice transition of the shimmer itself, with the shimmer slightly fading on the sides and just a lot of shimmer right in the middle. Alright, so if you want a little subtle day glam, like you can leave it at this. However, I just wanted to turn it into an evening glam, so I just applied a little bit of the black shadow called Feisty right here at the corner. So we're going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. Smoke it out. So I'm just going to take that flat packer brush again, and how I would apply the liner, I'm just going to kind of line it like this. Like so. Same way I would apply the liner, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the bigger blending brush and kind of blend it out a bit. Kind of give that cat-like finish. Now with a bit of the makeup remover in this, I'm just gonna kind of gently just tap it in a way that it's snatched. Like so, on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna take the same flat packer brush and I'm gonna use the shade Tan Lines, the one we use here, and kind of just apply it at the ends like so. I didn't remove the black shadow on the brush to kind of give a mix between brown and black. Just gonna do that and that. And now I'm gonna take that same bigger brush again and just blend it like so. Now I'm going to take this eyebrow brush from the same brush set, and I'm going to use this silvery whitish tone called Flirty and just kind of line it here in the inner corners like so. Just going to take it to the middle here. I'm going to take my packer brush and kind of just blend it with the shade. Now I'm going to take the bigger blending brush and I'm just going to blend everything all together like so, very gently. Alright, now I'm going to take the Resvol Kajal and just going to apply it on my waterline like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mascara. I'm using the Resvol mascara. It's makes my lashes super curly and it lifts it really nicely. And now I'm gonna apply my falsies, but before that I'm gonna take the same black color called Feisty, and with the eyebrow brush in the brush set, I'm just gonna take that black shade and kind of give myself a liner right here, just at the end, like so, with the powder. I'm just gonna take the same brush and kind of give myself a nice wing, like so. You can see I'm not going all the way to the corners, just here, and I'm gonna make that wing again with the powder and connect it. Now I'm gonna take my packer brush and kind of just blend this little wing out. Now I'm going to take that same black shade and kind of give myself a nice little wing right here. And I'm going to take that pointed part of the brush and kind of just angle it down like so, like here. And on this side as well. Kind of giving my eyes a foxy look, like so. And so you can see it kind of makes my eyes little, like really catty. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm using the Lurella lash glue and the lash applicator. I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply some glue on the lashes, like so. Just a layer of glue. I've already measured my lashes and I've cut them to the size of my eyes. And this Lurella lash applicator makes my life so easy. It's so easy to pick up the lash and kind of just pop them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes. All right, so I'm done with my lashes, and you can see these Emma lashes are like so pretty. It's like it gives you that cat-like feeling on your eye. So it's like shorter here and super long at the ends. Now the gap right here, I'm just gonna take the Lurella liquid liner in the shade Shadow, and I'm just gonna fill this up right here, like so. And on the other side as well, like so. And we're done. So we have this really nice sultry look going on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my color corrector now. This is the Resvol color corrector in the shade Orangey. And I'm taking the Lurella brush. This is the cat's paw brush. And apply that. Areas where I have discoloration. Just a little bit here, here, and in areas I feel like. All right. So now I'm gonna take the Lurella Beauty Blender and I'm just gonna blend this out like so. So you wanna make sure the color corrector is really well blended so that when you actually apply the concealer, it gives you a nice, you know, neutralizing effect rather than just the orange seeping through the concealer. Just gonna do that here, here, and just a little bit of here. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. Now I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 130 Buff Beige. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over, like so. Now I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and just kind of dab everything in place. You want to work fast with this foundation because it sets really fast on the skin. I really love the coverage of this foundation, and it's so long lasting and it doesn't, you know, doesn't crack up, and that's why I really like it. I'm gonna take some more of the foundation and then I'm using the same brush and just gonna apply it right here. I love the application of a foundation with a cat's paw brush because, you know, it kind of gives you a really, really nice full coverage. Dab everything in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this concealer from Maybelline in areas where I need coverage. Now I'm gonna take the same blender and just gonna blend everything in place like so. Now in the hard to reach areas, I'm using the smaller beauty blender from Lurella Cosmetics. It makes my life so easy given the size. I'm just gonna take that and kind of just blend everything in place. Now whatever's left on this tiny blender, I'm just gonna go in areas where I have some redness, like here. Now I'm gonna use the Resvol Wet and Dry Compact. I'm gonna take this really cute, big, fluffy flat powder brush and I'm just gonna apply it in the areas where I generally tend to sweat. And my chin area like so. And to set my eyes, instead of using a loose setting powder, I'm going to use the same compact. But before that, I'm just going to take this smaller beauty blender and kind of just go over one last time, just to make sure that there's no creasing at all. It's natural to have some creasing underneath your eyes. So just gonna take that and I'm gonna look up and kind of just apply the powder right here. Like so. That way the makeup will be long lasting and will not be affected by the hot weather. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm using the Essence Hey Cheeks palette, which has the entire range of contour, blush, highlight, everything. And I'm gonna use this particular brush from this brush set. I love how the way it's shaped. It makes my contour job really easy. I'm just gonna go right here and kind of just contour my face like so. I'm gonna first set the powder and then I'm gonna blend it together. So just gonna figure out the lines first, like so. Here. Jawline. Now I'm gonna take the same brush and kind of move the product inwards, like so. You can see with this brush, the contour is more precise and more sharp. And this will make my contour, nose contour really easy with this brush. I'm just gonna take whatever product is left on the brush and gonna contour my nose like so, like here and like here. Now I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and blend everything in place. Now I'm gonna use the same brush with which I used the powder, and then I'm gonna take my powder blush and I'm just gonna place it right here. And now I'm just gonna blend it all in. All right, now time for some highlight, but before that I'm gonna use the setting spray so that my highlight looks even more poppin'. Just gonna nice, and just a little bit here on the side. So while the setting spray settles in, I'm just gonna start with my lips. So today I'm using the Lurella liquid lipstick in the shade Alex. I'm just gonna apply it. So this is this really hot pink shade called Alex, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the highlighter from the Essence palette right here, and right here, and right here, and right here. And we are done. So you can definitely play this look with a really bold, bright lip like this, or you can definitely wear something very subtle and neutral. Let me show you. Alright. So this is the second shade. I actually use these two colors from Lurella Cosmetics. I mean, their glosses are amazing. So this one is called Killing It, and this one is called Wifey. So I used Killing It on the outer area of my lips, and then I used Wifey right in the middle to kind of give that little pouty effect that you guys are seeing. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I had such a fun time creating this look, and if you like this look, if you like how I created this look, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.